You may have been told that we are all made of stardust, but how can that be true? To find out, come with me back to a few minutes after the Big Bang, when the smallest atoms coalesced out of the roiling subatomic soup. 2 protons plus 2 neutrons made helium nuclei. Single protons with or without a neutron formed hydrogen nuclei. This 14 billion year old hydrogen makes up more than half the atoms in your body. As the universe expanded, the hydrogen and helium spread into gas clouds. Though tiny, the gas particles exerted gravity that tugged neighboring particles closer. As the particles clumped together, their combined mass had stronger gravity. That dragged in more particles in a snowball effect, which after a few million years produced dense clumps of hydrogen and helium. As gravity squeezed each clump tighter, the increasing pressure turned up the temperature. At 10 million degrees, the heat triggered hydrogen fusion and the first stars were born. Nuclear chain reactions drove the star's core temperature up and up. At 20 million degrees, helium nuclei fused into the first carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. With the hydrogen born at the dawn of time, these 3 elements forged in the blazing hearts of distant stars make up 99% of you. In the star's core, the explosive reactions balance out gravity's colossal pull. But when the core burned up all its hydrogen and helium, the reaction stopped. Gravity violently collapsed the core, driving the temperature over 1 billion degrees. The star's reactor rekindled, now with carbon and oxygen fusing into each of the heavier elements up to iron. That made the last 1% of you, but your atoms were still trapped inside a dying star. Until finally, the core ran out of carbon and oxygen and the reactor had no more fuel. Gravity violently imploded the core, then it exploded in a supernova. The supernova scattered stardust across the universe where it drifted together to form planets, then people like me and you. So that's the truth. You really are made of stardust.